Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You must be a local admin and have domain admin credentials ready. This lets you make system-level changes securely. First, create a restore point and back up critical files in case you roll back. Next, check DNS settings and confirm network access to the domain controller so name resolution works. Once done, open Settings, go to Accounts, Access Work or School, and choose Connect. This begins the domain join process with the credentials you saved. Now you'll enter the new domain name. Precision matters because DNS and AD must match. Type the domain exactly, then supply domain administrator credentials in the domain \username format so the controller can authorize the join. Windows will verify the account and apply group policies. If you encounter account restrictions, make sure the computer account exists or allow Windows to create it. Confirm or change the computer name if required. Then accept the prompt to restart so domain policies and profiles initialize correctly. After reboot, sign in with your domain \username to generate the domain profile. This links user policies and folder redirection if configured. Once logged in, run gpupdate/force to pull group policies immediately and open Event Viewer to inspect system and application logs for netlogin or authentication errors. If the join appears successful but services fail, verify DNS server entries on the adapter, run ipconfig/flushtons, and restart the netlogin service. These steps resolve most common domain name and connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.